Now he goes back. So now the gopis are continuing. This is very interesting. 1 minute he's a sadhaka and he's commenting about the aspect that actually see the gopis, how they're developing their love, and how they're speaking about their ever-growing love and attraction for Krishna. This is also told in Rasa Shastras, because the gopis said that Chakshu Raga Pratamam Chitta Sangas Sankalpa, that as soon as at the very first moment we saw you, Pratamam, we developed rag. And then he steps back, Vishnu says, as a sadhaka, as a guru, no longer as a Sakhi Manjari. He said, the Rasa Shastras explain that love develops in stages, beginning with attraction. That's why they say the eyebrow of the woman is the string, is the bow, and the arrow is the eye. I don't know what the string is, but the string is whatever. It's a stringless bow. Anyway, the bow is there, and they look, and wow, oh, she loves me, or whatever, and then, or vice versa. So it works. It's a two-directional program. Arrows can go in two directions. So they're saying. So he says that's in Shastra. And then he goes back to the gopis. Listen, Krishna, that creeper which you created with the seed of your glance is now not just sprouted and grown, but it's fructified. In other words, our bhakti lata creeper will have a fruit of prema. So then they say, so why our creeper is given such abundant fruits which should be enjoyed by the one who planted the seed, who is you, and will give yet more fruits to enjoy in the future? Why do you want to cut it down with your harsh words? Because they say, Masmat Nachindya. They're saying Nachindya Asham Dritam. So Vishnu Chakravarti he's creating an analogy, because the gopis say, you're cutting down our asha bandha, dhritam. They're not only bound by intense hope, but it's very firm and unbreakable and hard, dhritam. Drita Brata. So you're trying to, don't cut it down, because in the Vedas it says if someone plants a tree and later cuts it down, that's a great sin. So that has to be avoided at all costs if one can. And then of course that there's adjustments that have to be made, then one has to take advice or have understanding when to make adjustments. But unfortunately because there's different types of trees that can be killed, not say killed, but cut down, because the jiva is eternal. At any rate, so they're saying, you planted this tree, and now you're telling us your words, you planted in our hearts the desire to love you, and a tree of desire. From that desire, which you planted in our hearts, now we're ripe, and we're mature, we're ready to love you, and we're here to love you, and here to serve you. Now you're going to cut down the tree which you planted by putting the seed of desiring to love you in our hearts with your glance? So that's what he's saying. Surely you must know the rule that one should never cut down a full-grown tree, even if it's filled with poisonous fruits. So this is the idea that Vishnu draws out from the words Chindya and Chirad. Chirad means Anarpita Chirim Chirat. Chirad means a long time. So he took this, Vishnu Chakravarti Pad, took these phrases, Chindya, Asham Dritam, and Chirad and Aravinda Netram, and he put them together to create a beautiful pastime, and to create beautiful exchanges, and to create a beautiful analogy. And this is the expertise of these great acharyas like Rupa Goswami and Sanatana and Vishwanath and Jiva, that for most it's some Sanskrit words which they are analyzed, but to